Hi everyone. So today I finally decided to talk about something that I recently started and have been really excited about. So a few days ago I decided to start a 90 days challenge. Now I know you've probably seen these challenges all over the internet. People set goals, create routines, put sticky notes on walls and try to change different areas of their lives. And honestly, when I first came across these videos, I thought they were interesting, but I never imagined myself doing one. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that this challenge is not really about changing your entire life. For me, it's about consistency. It's about showing up for the things that really matter to me, even on the days when I don't feel motivated. Because honestly, I have a lot of things to do. I have goals, I have dreams, I have things that I genuinely enjoy. But sometimes the hardest part is not knowing what to do. The hardest part is doing it consistently. And that is exactly what I want to work on during these 90 days. So what exactly is this challenge? For the next 90 days, I'm focusing on 4 major areas of my life. The first one is academics. As many of you know, I am a student and academics is a huge part of my life. Between school, exams, and future goals, I want to become more consistent and intentional with my studies. The second area is extracurricular activities. Competitions, speeches, presentations, leadership, events. These are the things I genuinely enjoy doing and I want to continue improving in them. The third area is skills. Things like poetry, dance, and my hobbies help me grow as a person. And the fourth area is definitely content creation. I love documenting experiences, sharing my ideas, and in general creating content. And I really want to improve this skill too. Therefore, these are the 4 pillars of my challenge: academics, skills, extracurriculars, and content. Now, before anyone think that this challenge is about having a perfect productive routine or being productive for the whole 24 hours, this is not. Because my dear friend, life doesn't work like that. There will be busy days, there will be exam days, there will be competition days, there will be stressful days. And there will definitely be days when I will not feel like doing anything at all. But that's okay because the goal of this challenge is not perfection. The goal is consistency. And one of the biggest rules that I've made for myself is no 0 days. Even if I can't do everything, I will do something. Even if progress is small, I want to keep moving. Because I truly believe that small efforts repeated with consistency create much bigger results than sudden bursts of motivation. Now let me show you the most favorite part of mine of this challenge, the sticky note wall. So yes, I officially joined the internet trend. I put up 90 sticky notes on my wall. Each sticky notes represent one day, and at night after completing the day, I'll remove one sticky note of that day. It's a very simple system. But I feel that physically removing the sticky note and seeing the wall getting empty will make this challenge feel much more real and personal. And honestly, setting up this wall was much more fun than I expected. Apart from that, I've also planned how I want to track everything. So I already have my planner which I've been using for years. That's where I'll keep the bigger picture of the challenge, goals, milestones, important dates, schedules, milestones, etc. And then I have my daily diary and to-do list for everyday planning. So nothing fancy, nothing complicated, just a system that works for me. Because I don't want this challenge to be another project that takes more time in organizing or planning than actually executing. Another thing that is really important for me is documenting this journey publicly. That's why you already started seeing day 0, day 1, day 2, and I guess even day 3. And for the next 90 days, I want to document not just what I do, but what I learn. Some days might be about studies, some days might be about speeches and competitions, Some days might be about poetry, some days might be about creativity, and some days might be simply about a lesson that stayed with me. Actually, I don't want this challenge to be 90 days of pretending that everything is perfect, because it is not. I want it to be 90 days of learning, 90 days of trying, 90 days of showing up, and hopefully 90 days of growth. And honestly, I have no idea how these next 3 months are going to be. I don't know how much I will change. I don't know what all I will achieve. I don't know what challenges I will face, but I do know one thing. 90 days from now, I don't want to look back and think, what if I had started? I want to know, and that is why I started. Right now I am on day 3 and there are still 87 days left to go. So if you would like to follow, I would love to have you in this journey with me. Over these 90 days, I'll be documenting the lessons, the wins, the setbacks, the challenges, the creativity, and everything in between. One day at a time, one lesson at a time. A lot can change in 87 days. So let's find out what happens. See you.